The bush in the rains is always a completely different place. Thickness of it, the dark green and the light greens, intermingling with the grey of the baobabs. I find the colours absolutely superb. 10 metres from me. She's been using this area for a long time now. She has a nest. Doesn't like the sound of my voice. I'll show you her nest now. You can actually see where she's been lying here. There's the drag mark of her tail. They can lay about as many as 80 eggs, but in the wild only about 2% of these eggs survive into adulthood once they've hatched out. Another thing that happens in the rains is you get these beautiful little red velvet mites. They're minute and their bodies are covered in a kind of soft fur, hence the name velvet. They live underground and they come out when the first rains arrive. Let's do a hippo track. Compare it to the size of my shoe. That's probably Bobbin, who's a young juvenile. He's now 6.5 years of age, nearly 7. For you this morning. This is a natural kill of a waterbuck female, either lion, leopard or wild dog. I found it because the vultures were circling around it. Just under a metre, about 2 foot long. Hey beauty, are you puffing up at me? Yes, you're beautiful. And they're really cross, they kind of hiss. And apparently they've got quite a vicious bite. We get them in the garden sometimes. They use their tongues like a snake to sense things. Very prehistoric looking. So sweet. Newborns, I'd say. See their little tongue coming out and they fluff themselves up to look bigger than they are. The thing that comes in the rains are the army ants. They can walk like this in their hundreds.